Aydınlatır öğretmenleri, final okulları,
özgüvenli öğrencileri, final okulları.
Hello everybody. As you know, before 2 weeks we start to the fifth unit and its name is Into the Future. And then we finished page 64 and 65. After that we finished 66 and 67. And now, today, here we are. We are going to read a paragraph about our solar system, but before that I want to show you something. Okay, I prepared some pictures for you, and here are our planets actually, and we call it a solar system. Here is the sun, as you see, and here we have got the planets. Now I'm going to say the names of the planets for you, and I want you to repeat after me. Okay? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Okay, in our solar system, our planets are ordered like this. And the first one, as you see, the first planet is Mercury. It's very, very small. The smallest planet is Mercury, I think. And Venus, it comes after Mercury. And in the third planet is our world, the Earth, I mean. And after our Earth, Mars is coming. And after Mars, Jupiter is coming. And then Saturn, after Saturn, Uranus. And the last planet is Neptune, as you see here in our solar system. Okay, let's turn back to our paragraph. Okay, as I told you before, we have a paragraph about our solar system. Today we are going to learn some information about the planets, and I'm going to read it for you. Okay. I want you to follow me from your books. I'm reading it for you. Earth is the third planet in a solar. Pardon, I'm taking it from the beginning. Earth is the third planet in a system of planets, moons, comets, and rocks that orbits the sun. The sun is just one of around 200 billion stars in our galaxy, the Milky Way. And the Milky Way is just one of the hundreds of billions of galaxies in the universe. The solar system contains 8 planets and several dwarf planets, including Pluto. The rocky planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. The gas planets, also known as the gas giants, are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. All the planets except Uranus and Neptune can be seen with the naked eye. Mercury is the smallest planet, and it's also closest to the Sun. Venus comes between Mercury and Earth, and it's also known as the morning and the evening star. Mars comes next, then Jupiter, Saturn, and Uranus. Neptune is the farthest. It's very far away from the Sun, although Pluto and other dwarf planets are even farther. Of all the planets, only Mercury and Venus don't have moons. Mars has 2, Jupiter 13, Saturn 34, Uranus 27, and Neptune 26. Saturn is famous for its beautiful colored rings, but 3 other planets have rings too: Jupiter, Uranus, and Neptune. Okay, as I showed you here, I want you to check that solar system again. As you see here, Mercury, it's the smallest, it's very small. The smallest planet is Mercury, and it is very, very close to Sun. It's very close to Sun. And then, as you see here, our planet Earth, it's the third planet. And after Earth, Mars is coming here, so they are neighbor, we can say this. And in the paragraph, we read that there are some planets and they have got some rings. Okay, what's the ring? Please look at here. This is ring. Look, this is ring again. And this is also. And this is also. So we can say that Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune have rings. And we read that Neptune is very far to Sun. Look at this, Mars is here, it is very close, but Neptune, it's very far away from the Sun. And we read that Jupiter has a beautiful colorful rings, as you see. Yes, it's really beautiful. I think all of the planets are beautiful. Okay, let's turn back to our paragraph. Now, here we have got the solar system again, and we have got the planets. We learned the planets there, and together we are going to write the name of the planets all together. Are you ready for it? Okay, let's start with this one. Look at this. It is very, very small, and it is very close to Sun. So, which planet is this? Mercury. If you say Mercury, then you are correct. Let me write it for you. Okay. Okay, let me put it up. All right. It's nice right now. And let's check the other one. It comes after Mercury, so it's our second planet. Which one is it? As you see here, Venus, it's the second planet. And let me write Venus here. Yes, it's perfect right now. And which planet is this? What's its name? I think you know it, and we are living on it. And it's the third planet. So, what's this? That's exactly correct. It is Earth. Okay. Oh, wait. Sorry. Now it's better. All right. And then after Earth, what's coming? Of course, Mars is coming. So let me write Mars here for you. Okay. It's better right now. And look at this. It's really big, and it is really colorful, we can say. And the biggest planet is, of course, Jupiter. So I'm going to write Jupiter for you. Actually, it has got lots of colorful rings, but we can't see it in that picture. But in my picture, my Jupiter is with ring, as you see. So, I'm writing Jupiter for you. Pardon. Okay. It's better. And after Jupiter, which planet comes actually? Of course, Saturn is coming. So let me take and put it here. Okay. Yes. And after Saturn, yes, we have got Uranus here, and I'm going to write Uranus for you. Wait. Okay. It's good. And after Uranus, which comes? Of course, Neptune is coming. The blue one is Neptune. And it's very far away from the sun. So let me write Neptune. Okay. And lastly, we have got very, very small dwarf planet. Actually, it's not a planet, but it's dwarf planet. And its name is Pluto, everybody. Let me write it for you. Okay. Pluto is here. So, let's check the other questions. Actually, we don't have question, but okay. But we have got a chart here, and we are going to put things, we will put tick, according to this paragraph. So, here are the planets, as you see, their names: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. And here there are some informations about them, and if they have this thing, so we are going to put tick. If they don't have, we won't do anything. So, which planets are our rocky planets? Which one do you think? Yes, as you see here, the rocky planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. So we are going to put tick here for Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. Okay, gas planets. Let's find gas planets all together. Okay, these are rocky planets, and we have got 4 planets. And these are gas planets, yes. Let's put ticks all together. Okay, it's better right now. Okay, moons. Which planets has got moons? Let's see all together. Actually, they write it here. Of all the planets, only Mercury and Venus don't have moons. Only Mercury and Venus, they don't have planets. Mercury and Venus, they don't have moons, but all other planets has moons, everybody. Our world has 1 moon, but other planets has lots of moons, we can say. Okay, rings. Which planets has rings? Yes, as you see here, as you see in those pictures, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, as you see, yes, they have got rings, everybody. So, okay, let's check which planet has which planets have rings altogether. And as you see in those pictures, let me show them to you. Okay, as you see in those pictures, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune have these four planets have rings. These are rings we said before, and these four planets have rings. Now we are going to put tick. Let me take the pen for you. We are going to put tick to Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. They have got rings, everybody. And visible, which planets are visible to naked eye? Let's check the paragraph again all together, and let me find it for you. Okay. All the planets except Uranus and Neptune. Okay, except these two planets, all the planets can be seen with naked eye. So let's put tick to all of them. I think Mercury. Okay. Except these planets, the other planets, we can see them as stars, of course, in the sky. Okay, we finished that part. And here we are. We have got a paragraph, and it's about Mars. I'm going to read it for you, and I want you to follow me from your books, please. Okay, I'm starting for you. A closer look at Mars. Mars is a rocky planet that takes its name from the Roman god of war. It's also known as the red planet after its color. It has two tiny moons named Phobos and Deimos. People first discovered Mars in the night sky thousands of years ago. It's our nearest neighbor in the solar system. It's extremely cold on Mars, with an average temperature of minus 55 degrees Celsius. Mars has a spectacular landscape. At 24,000 meters, Olympus Mons, its highest mountain in the solar system, and the gigantic crater Hellas Palantina is over 5 kilometers deep and 12,000 kilometers in diameter. For a long time, scientists thought nothing could live on Mars because it was a dry planet. But a robot vehicle has found evidence that water once existed there. Since 2003, the National Aeronautic and Space Administration, it means NASA, has sent several Mars rovers to explore the surface. And in 2009, one rover got stuck in sand. Engineers couldn't move the rover, so they decided to investigate the sand instead. To their surprise, they discovered evidence of frost and snow. Scientists also believe that the polar ice caps on Mars contain water. Could Mars support life after all? That's a good question, and we are not sure about it actually. So here we have got a chart again, and we are going to complete this chart according to this paragraph. Let me start from this one. What is its nickname? As you see, Mars is, let's find its nickname actually. Its nickname is, I think it should be red planet. It's here, okay, as you see. It's also known as the red planet. It is red, and its other name, its nickname is red planet. Let me write it for you. Okay. Pardon. Okay. Red planet. Its nickname is Red Planet. Type of this planet. What type of is it? Is it a gas planet or is it a rocky planet? Of course, in the beginning of the paragraph, they just mentioned about that. It's a rocky planet. They write it actually. So we are going to write it here. It's a rocky planet. Rocky, red and beautiful planet. Rings. Okay. Does he has a ring? Does he have a ring? Of course no. It doesn't have any ring. So we will say no here. Okay. Physical features. What's its physical features? Yes, as you see here, Mars has a spectacular landscape at 24,000 meters Olympus Mons. It's the highest mountain in the solar system. So let me write here Olympus. Wait, let me check how it's. Okay, Olympus Mons. And it has got another thing, let me remember. Okay, and the gigantic crater, okay, it has got a crater. Its name is Hellas Plantina. Okay, it's okay. Wait, H. Now it's better. I will put it here, everybody. Okay, and other information about it. Let's find different information about it. Okay, it's. I think. Wait. We can say that the temperature of this, it's very cold, it's extremely cold on Mars, and with an average temperature of minus 55 degrees Celsius. Let me write it for you. 5. Oh, no. Okay. It's very cold, don't forget it. Okay. The origin of name, we read it before, its names come from a Roman god of war. So we are going to write it here. Okay. Roman god of war, because it's red, that's why. Okay, let's check how many moons does he have. Okay, as you see here, Mars has got 2 moons and their names are Phobos and Deimos. Let me write them for you. Phobos and Deimos. Okay, these are Mars's moons actually. And its temperature, we said that before, it's 55 degrees and it's very cold there. So let's write 55. And that's really enough. Okay. Okay, everybody. Today we learned the solar system and we learned the planets. We just read some information about the planets, and today it's enough for us. So see you next week. Take care of yourself. I love you.
Aydınlatır öğretmenleri, final okulları.
Özgüvenli öğrencileri,
Final okulları.